It's freezing outside, you are late, but your car won't start, and you sit there thinking how it was fine yesterday. Well, most winter battery failures don't happen suddenly. They are the result of small mistakes that drivers repeat every day without even noticing. I am Andrew, years behind the wheel, real car experience. Welcome to my channel. Today I will explain those mistakes, why cold weather makes everything worse, and ways how to fix this issue. Watch this video till the end to get your tip. Part number 1. Winter myths that secretly kill your battery. Myth number 1. Idling the car will recharge the battery. This is one of the most common winter myths. People start the engine, let it idle for 10 minutes and think they're charging the battery. But the truth is, idling barely does anything, especially in cold weather. Modern alternators are designed to charge properly only when the engine is under load, which means you are actually driving, not just sitting still in the driveway. So, if your battery already weak, idling won't save it. It just gives you a false sense of safety until the battery finally dies. Myth number 2. Short trips are fine in winter. Well, short trips are one of the biggest battery killers when the temperature drops. Cold weather makes the battery weaker, the oil thicker, and the starter motor works twice as hard. Then you run the heater, the lights, the rear defroster, everything pulls power at once. But the moment you arrive somewhere after just a few minutes of driving, the alternator has barely had enough time to put anything back into the battery. Repeat this every day, and after a week the battery will simply give up. Myth number 3. I can leave the lights or music on while the engine is off. It is fine. Let me give you a real scenario. You drop your wife or your kids somewhere. It's -5 outside, you turn the engine off, but leave the side lights on, or the heater or the radio, doesn't matter. You think it's just a few minutes, what could happen? Well, in winter a lot. Modern cars sometimes switch things off automatically, sure, but not every car does it quickly, and not every system shuts down. Now is important thing. If your battery is already 3-5 years old, this exact moment is when it can drop below the level needed to start the engine again. So yes, this habit is harmless in summer, but in winter it's one of the most common ways to end up with a dead battery. And if you are new here, subscribe and let's dive in. Next one, let's think and talk briefly why cold weather destroys the batteries. Here is a simple science behind it. A car battery is a chemical device. When the temperature drops, the chemical reactions inside slow down. The battery instantly loses a big part of strength. At +25, it has full power. At 0 degrees, it drops to about 65%, and at -10 degrees, you get around 50%. Half the power, but the engine needs more effort to start, because the oil thickens and creates resistance. That means your starter motor takes a bigger bite from the battery at the exact moment the battery is at its weakest. Add on top heaters, lights, seat warmers, defrosters, phone chargers, and your battery simply cannot keep up. This is why batteries that feels fine in September can suddenly die in December without any warning. And I'm sure experienced drivers or someone who already faced with knows this, right? Next part, practical advices, what you must do in winter. First one, give your battery a proper drive. If you want to recharge it, you need at least 20-25 minutes of actual driving. Not like, 2 minutes to the shop, not a quick loop around the block, a real meaningful drive. Next one, check the age of your battery. Most batteries last around 4-5 years, and if yours is older, winter will expose every weakness it has. If you notice the engine cranking slowly, even for 1 or 2 seconds, that's your early warning, do not ignore it. Next one, try to keep the battery warmer, even a few degrees makes a real difference. You can Park near building instead of an open space. Park facing the sun in the morning, which I actually do. Avoid windy spots. Use a simple battery insulation blanket. It really exists, I checked before the video. Tiny things, but in winter every little bit helps, right? Next thing to prolong your battery life and be sure that everything alright in the morning is keep the terminals clean. Corrosion creates resistance. Resistance means voltage drop. Voltage drop is the enemy of cold starts. A quick clean can improve starting power instantly. Next, let's talk about the honest truth that no one likes and someone do not even expect or suspect, I would say. You can boost the battery, you can jumpstart it with cable or chargers, you can charge it every night. But if the battery is old and the temperature drops, nothing will fully save it. That's how chemistry works actually. My experience showed me that the smartest decision and the cheapest in the long run is simply to replace the battery before it leaves you stranded. Just believe me. A new battery costs less than a tow truck, less than missing a work, and definitely less than freezing on the side of the road. Was this helpful? Don't miss out. Subscribe for more.